Forget everything you know about the Defender. Seriously. If this is the 2026 Land Rover Defender 90, the Ford Bronco and the G-Class are in serious trouble. Okay, let's start up front. At a glance, it's unmistakably a Defender. The DNA is strong, the boxy shape, that muscular stance. But look closer. They cleaned it up. The grille is sleeker, more minimal, and these new LED DRLs? They kept the signature circle, but with this new super sharp graphic. It looks more modern, more expensive, and a hell of a lot more aggressive. This isn't just a facelift, it's an attitude. But this is where Land Rover got bold. The rear. Check out this full-width connected taillight bar. This is sick. It just locks in the entire rear end. It's futuristic, it's clean, and it's something you'd expect on a high-end concept. Now, the big controversy. The spare tire on the back gate? It's gone. Yes, it's gone. The purists are gonna riot. But me, I think it's the right move. It makes the whole look so much cleaner, so much more Range Rover. This is a Defender that's evolving. They didn't stop on the outside. Step into the cabin, and wow, this is a command center. Look at this tan leather and blacked out material combo. It looks rich. You've got the full digital driver's display, and that center Pivi Pro screen? It looks bigger, wider, and more integrated than ever. They kept the Defender hallmarks, like the exposed dashboard beam and the structural bolts, but they've just executed it with such a premium finish. This is the perfect balance between rugged and luxury. You could take this thing rock crawling or to the opera. It just works. Alright, the need-to-know info. What's under the hood, what's it gonna cost, and who is it fighting? Engine! Land Rover will keep its options. We'll see the P300 4-cylinder as the base. But the sweet spot is gonna be that 400 pesos, the 3.0-liter inline-6 with mild hybrid tech. It's smooth, it's punchy, it's perfect. But what we all want is the V8, and you know they're gonna build it. A 500-plus horsepower supercharged V8 in this short wheelbase truck? Yes, please! That's an all-terrain hot rod. Price. Now, brace yourselves. All this new tech and luxury costs money. The 2025 Defender 90 starts at around $58,000. For this 2026 model, I'm betting that base price creeps up to $60,000 to $62,000. And that V8 model? You'll be looking at north of $120,000. Easy. This is the fun part. The Defender 90 plays in a unique space. On one hand, it's stomping on the Ford Bronco Raptor and the Jeep Wrangler 392 in terms of sheer off-road capability and presence. But with this new luxury interior, it's taking a direct shot at the Mercedes-Benz G-Class, G-Wagon, but for a fraction of the price. So, there you have it. Our first look at the 2026 Defender 90. This isn't just an off-road toy anymore. This is a statement piece, a blend of luxury, tech, and brute performance, all wrapped in that iconic silhouette. Land Rover isn't playing games. They're here to take over. But that's just my take. What do you guys think? Are you digging the new taillights? Are you gonna miss the spare tire? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.